Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy Me, I'll show you how I put together my creamy skillet mustard chicken using stone ground mustard and heavy cream. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We're going to start by mixing our seasonings. We have some black pepper, salt, onion powder. We're going to mix those together. Now, I have 8 chicken thighs here that I have washed and pat dry. So what we're going to do is take our seasonings and we're going to season our chicken. Flip them over and season the other side. We have some stone ground mustard here. We're going to lightly brush over our chicken. And we're going to do this on both sides. And we're going to fry this up lightly on each side in some avocado oil. I'll be using this avocado oil that I'm going to add to my skillet. We want to get this good and hot. Our oil is hot and we're going to place our chicken in skin side down. I hope I can get all 8 of these in all at once. And we're going to cook these about 6 minutes on each side. Go ahead and flip our chicken thighs. That's exactly what you want. Guess what? Simply Mercy B has hit 100 subscribers. 100. That is so awesome. I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. And the ones who have not, consider subscribing. We are really having a great time over here, and I will show you step by step how to cook some of my favorite delicious dishes. So go ahead, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a message. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Remove all except 1 tablespoon of oil from your skillet. Add your chicken stock and scrape all your brown bits from the bottom of your skillet. Add your heavy cream and the remainder of the mustard that we used to coat our chicken and bring to a simmer. Oh yes, that is Sazon. It will not be a Simply Mercy B recipe without a little bit of Sazon. So go ahead and add a half a packet of Sazon in there and adjust any seasonings now to your liking and make sure you give it a taste. We're going to go ahead and add our chicken thighs back to this beautiful sauce. And yes, those little drippings there, we're going to add all that. That's flavor. That's flavor. Get it in there. Beautiful. You want to cover your chicken and put it into a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. We're going to take it out and we're going to baste our chicken with that beautiful sauce. Look at that. This chicken was so delicious. Now I wanted mine a little bit thicker, so I'm going to return it back to the oven for about another 10 minutes. And this is what we get. after those 10 minutes. Beautiful, rich gravy. Go ahead and ladle you some on top of your chicken thighs. And guys, we get ready to plate. Guys, I want to thank you for sharing your time with me today. Today I showed you how I make my Skillet Mustard Chicken. And that stone ground mustard, it brings a bold flavor to our chicken. And that beautiful, beautiful rich gravy. I certainly hope you would give this recipe a try. It is definitely a game changer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep life simple.